G'day everyone, how you going? We're back here on the 1st of April, no April Fool's joke from me. We're looking into chapter 5. Now, I very rarely speak of chapters in these videos because every textbook is different. But thanks to Alan Sadler, we use Sadler's book. Whether you've got the new one or the old one doesn't really matter. We use Sadler's book here at Arramore. And chapter 5 is about networks. Now, networks is one of those things that the language is so important to your understanding. If you don't understand the language of the question, you can't possibly understand what you need to do. So what I did a number of years ago, you can see here 2016, is that what I did is I actually got my students to go through the textbook and pick up all the key words, and I got them to write a definition. Have a read of that part there. Use this sheet to define in your own words. This is critical, in your own words. The language from chapter 5. Becoming familiar with the language is vitally important to understanding the questions. This might take you an hour or two to complete. It'll be an hour or two very, very well spent. Oops. An hour or two very, very well spent. Okay? Please, please, please spend that time. Let's have a scroll through and see the key words. Vertex or node, the plural being vertices, edges, faces or regions. We've got Euler's rule, or some people say Euler's rule. Write that down here. What does it refer to? When do you use it? Okay? Oh, got to stop doing this. There we go. Okay, then in 5b, we've got words like loop and multiple edge and weighted or a graph or weighted network. We've got directed edges or directed arcs, or they can be called digraphs. You've got to be familiar. So many words. Undirected, non-directed, directed, digraphs, so much to get through here. A simple network or a simple graph, what does that mean? Simple directed graph, what does that mean? Simple weighted graph, what does that mean? What's a walk? A closed walk, an open walk, a path, a closed path, a closed walk, an open path, a length of a walk, a trail, a closed trail. You get the idea. Look, more, still more. Look at this. So we're only into 5C now. We've got planar graphs, we've got subgraphs, we've got trees, we've got bipartite graphs. Oh, now we're into 5D. The degree or order of a vertex. Odd and even ones, traversable networks. Draw a couple of them, traversable, non-traversable. Oh, Euler and trails, semi-Euler and trail. I've got another one for this. Catch the next video on this. I'll help you out here big time. This was an area where people struggled to get this understanding. I've got a neat little flowchart. Next video, watch it for me. Euler and trail, semi-Euler, Hamiltonian and semi-Hamiltonian. Oh, lots in there. Oh, lots. Please, please, please spend the time going through this, adding in a description and a diagram, your words, your description, make sure it's correct, of what's going on here. Now, use your textbook, Sadler or others. The other one you can use is on your syllabus. Go to the very end of the syllabus from SCARS's website and you'll find there's a glossary there. I've got it here, let me show you. Here are some of the things that are from the decision-making mathematics part of the glossary of your syllabus, okay? If you don't know what your syllabus is, you don't know where it is, please email me, chris.simpson@siwa.edu.au. I'll show you where it is. You need to know. This is the information from that part of the syllabus, from the glossary. Now, here's the thing. If in their exam they use the word algorithm, they can assume that you know all of this, that's exactly what you're thinking, okay? Similarly for all these other terms, right? They can just say, look, you must know these, right? And there's lots of them, okay? Now this one's just from your networks and decision-making mathematics, but there's more than this. The examiners can assume that if they use the word, always a good one to use, minimum spanning tree, boom, you know what it is, right? Spanning tree, boom, you know what it is. So look into your syllabus, look at the glossary, read those ones, and they will help you to do some definitions here, but in your own words, okay? So you understand what is going on. Because what someone might say to you, oh, let's get back down to here, oh, let's go for a walk. Well, in mathematics, that might have a different meaning to you going for a walk around the block, okay? Be aware, these words are specific to the mathematics that you're studying in decision making and network mathematics, okay? You've got to put your own words, but mathematically correct. Check the next video, because the next video I'm going to do my little diagram on, where's it gone, right down the bottom here, where is it, there we go, oh no, further, there we go, on Eulerian trail, semi-Eulerian, Hamiltonian and semi-Hamiltonian. Check the next video. Now, if you want this sheet, happy to give it to you, it's got everything you need on there, you've just got to fill it in. chris.simpson@siwa.edu.au. I'll put it down in the description for you. Thanks guys, catch you later.